How can I market my business using social media? In today's digital age, social media has become a cornerstone of effective business marketing. Millions of people worldwide use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok daily, offering businesses a golden opportunity to connect with potential customers. But navigating social media to achieve meaningful results requires strategy, creativity, and consistency. In this blog, we will discuss about how can I market my business using social media. Understanding the power of social media for businesses. Social media is not only a way to keep up with friends, but also a way to market one's brand, offer services, and generate sales. Additionally, businesses use social media to connect with customers, gain their trust, and create awareness of their brand. The only challenge is figuring out what social media platforms the target market is on and what content would best suit them. Setting clear goals for social media marketing. Don't jump into social media marketing without pinpointing what your goals are. Is it reaping more brand awareness, getting more leads, or driving traffic to your site? Stating your goal will allow you to create a marketing plan that will fulfill your expectations and allow you to evaluate your progress. Choosing the right platforms for your business. Not all social media platforms are created equal, and choosing the right ones is crucial for success. For example, if you're targeting professionals, LinkedIn may be the best platform for your business. On the other hand, if you're marketing visually appealing products, Instagram or Pinterest might be more effective. Creating engaging content that resonates. Any type of marketing and advertising on the social media platform greatly depends on the content. When promoting a business, you have to produce posts, videos, and stories that will grab the audience's attention and activate them. Engaging content is any content that is image and content-rich, has relatable captions and posts that provide information to followers. Leveraging video marketing for social media. In recent years, video marketing has been among the best techniques to reach users on social media sites. Platforms such as YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels allow the creation of succinct but strong videos which are useful in marketing the business. These videos help market goods, highlight services, or narrate a brand's story in a pleasing and lasting manner. Engaging with your audience. Social media is not just about putting out messages, it is all about interaction. Communicating with your audience, especially through responding to comments, answering messages, and participating in discussions, helps in building a steady flow of the clients. If the customers are listened and appreciated, they will be willing to support the business. Utilizing paid advertising on social media. However, it's impossible to ignore paid promotion at this point. Even if organic content is more valuable, reaching objectives becomes much quicker with the help of advertising. Facebook and Instagram in particular have very advanced advertising where you are able to select the type of audience with their interests and behaviors. This level of targeting helps position your advertisements where they will be effective, in front of the right audiences at the right time. Measuring and analyzing your result. Tracking your performance is a critical aspect of social media marketing. Most platforms offer built-in analytics tools that provide insights into your reach, engagement, and conversion rates. Use these metrics to evaluate what's working and what needs improvement. Staying consistent and building a brand voice. Consistency is vital for building a strong presence on social media. Posting regularly and maintaining a cohesive brand voice will help your audience recognize and trust your business. Your tone, visuals, and messaging should align with your brand identity across all platforms. Collaborating with influencers and partners. Sourcing should be made with influencers or businesses who are in line with your business so that they can help enhance your social media marketing plan. This makes them a very important partner for any business because they have followers whom they have built trust with and can recommend your business. In as much as possible, try and find influencers that are right in your niche and who share similar values as your brand target consumer. Need social media marketing services. Navigating the world of social media marketing can be overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. TechMax LLC specializes in helping businesses like yours create effective social media strategies that deliver results. Whether you need help with content creation, advertising, or audience engagement, our team is here to support you. Contact us today to take your social media marketing to the next level.